In a future not too far from now, humanity had stretched its hands and will beyond the confines of Earth, colonizing various planets and moons throughout the galaxy. Among these new worlds, Arcadia stood out as a jewel of scientific achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon for the dreams of the 9 billion souls scattered across our solar system. Dr. Ilara Miles, an astrobiologist, had just arrived at Arcadia Station, orbiting the lush, mysterious planet of Arcadia. The station, a sprawling complex of laboratories, living quarters, and observatories, housed the most diverse group of scientists and explorers from various planets. Ilara's mission was to study the unique flora and fauna of Arcadia, which exhibited extraordinary qualities, like plants emitting low levels of bioluminescence throughout the night and animals with natural magnetoreception capabilities. But her focus was on the Microterra flower, a plant rumored to have regenerative properties that might contribute to medical science significantly. Days turned into weeks as Ilara and her team traversed the dense, vibrant jungles of Arcadia. The luscious canopy overhead danced in hues of emerald and sapphire, filtering sunbeams into kaleidoscopic displays that carpeted the forest floor. It was during one of these explorations that they encountered the sylvans, a sentient species indigenous to Arcadia. Shrouded in mystery, the sylvans communicated through subtle body movements and had seamlessly integrated into the ecosystem of their home world. The sylvans showed a cautious interest in the humans, observing them from a distance. Over time, trust was built, and the sylvans began to share their knowledge of the Arcadian biosphere. They guided Ilara to the Grove of Whispers, where the largest concentration of Microterra flowers thrived. Back at the station, the research into the Microterra flower showed promising results. Ilara discovered that its cells, when combined with human DNA, accelerated cell regeneration without rejection, a breakthrough in medical science that could lead to cures for various degenerative diseases. However, the extraction process was harming the plants, and their numbers dwindled swiftly. Faced with the moral dilemma of harming the planet for human benefit, Ilara was torn. It was during a nightly observation that she noticed the glow of the plants intensifying whenever they were near a sylvan. It became clear that the sylvans were somehow nurturing the plants through an unseen symbiotic relationship. Deciding to prioritize the well-being of Arcadia's ecosystem over short-term scientific gain, Ilara proposed a new plan. Instead of extracting resources, her team would work with the sylvans to study and replicate the symbiotic factors in a sustainable way. This shift in approach led to a deeper partnership with the sylvans, who shared their ancient ecological practices that balanced growth with conservation. Years later, the breakthroughs achieved on Arcadia had transformed medical science on Earth and beyond. Humanity had not only healed its people, but also learned a valuable lesson in balancing their needs with the respect and preservation of nature, a harmonious vision that Ilara hoped would guide future explorations in the galaxy. As the space between stars continued to brim with unknown wonders, the echoes of Arcadia reminded everyone of the delicate dance between discovery and responsibility, a lesson written in the starlight streaming across the universe.